Hello, Professor and classmates. This is Hoda Hassan presenting Team 3 project work in progress demo about Health and Wellness Reports smartphone application prototype, which is a personal health record application. We are presenting our application today using a smartphone iPhone. First, we start by opening the iPhone. Then slide to unlock. Use your passcode for access. As you enter your application icons, choose the Health and Wellness Reports icon. As you enter the application, you will have to use your username and password as preset while downloading the application or as chosen in privacy settings. After you successfully submit your username and password, you will enter your home page. In the home page, you will find a large banner at the top of the page with 5 buttons. The first is the home button, then the about button, the FAQs, the help button, and the website button. On the left hand side, there is a list starting with a picture of your profile picture or avatar. This picture stands for your personal profile and your privacy settings. Below, there is the Avatar and Demographics button, the Access Your Health Records button, Manage Your Prescription button, Manage Your Appointments button. On the right-hand side, there will be a screen with a welcome message, like the one in this example. Hello, Mr. Adam, welcome to your Health and Wellness Records. Below it, there will be a running local news feeds, always running with healthcare news that is of interest to you. Below it, there will be the patient reminders. There's the appointments part and the prescriptions part. When you click this part, you will be taken to your appointments, which are very recent or very close. Also the prescriptions that have to be refilled soon. Below there is the blog button, which is a patient and clinician communication, two-way communication actually in a blog type format. Starting with the profile picture or the avatar picture part. This button is the personal profile or privacy settings button. This button includes your name, date of birth, your address, your picture or avatar, and in this part you can change your username or password. As for the upper banner, the home button always takes you back to home wherever you are in the application. As for the about button, there is a drop-down menu that drops down from this button. It contains the application description, a contact us icon or button that takes you to the contact information of the application designers and to the technical support. And there is also the disclaimer that contains privacy and ethical and legal issues. As for the avatar button, this button is the avatar demographics icon that contains information like age, sex, weight, height, and other demographic information. As for the patient reminder button, under this button there will be a drop-down menu for the appointments and another one for the prescriptions. For the appointments, you will find the appointment date and time and the place of the appointment or the name of the doctor and the place, as well as a settings button to set the reminder and how you want it to be on or how you want to be notified. As you choose the settings of each reminder, you will have options like choosing the sound that you want to hear for the reminder. You will have to, you can choose the time before the appointment that you want to be reminded about the appointment, whether an hour, 2 hours, a day, a week, or whatever will be in this menu. And also the repeats, how often do you want to be reminded with the appointment before the appointment. Now we're gonna explore how to manage your appointments using the application. As you go to the manage your appointments and choose this button, you will have a menu that's open to the right hand side containing 4 items: schedule appointment, coming soon appointments, past appointments, and canceled appointments. As you choose schedule appointment, you will have drop down menu below that button containing two buttons to choose from. One is to schedule an appointment with current provider, or the other is to search for new providers to schedule an appointment with. If you choose to schedule an appointment with a current provider, you will have a drop down menu with all the providers that you have been dealing with for your past history. Let's assume you chose Dr. Jack, who is your family doctor. As you choose the name, you will have a drop down menu with schedule or cancel appointment and an attachment icon that is to the right hand side. For this menu, you have to choose either to schedule an appointment or to cancel an appointment. You can also attach a file by clicking on the envelope or the attachment sign. This sign will take you directly to your health records, and you can choose any of your records to attach to this request. Now you choose to schedule an appointment. As you get the right tick at schedule, you can choose now to attach a file. This is optional. You can submit without attaching. After choosing to schedule your appointment and attaching the necessary documents, which is optional, you will go to submit and submit your request. Later on, you will have the response to your request showing in the appointments, the coming soon appointments. You can follow this request there till you have your appointment popping up. Now we go back to the manage your appointments icon and choose the coming soon appointments. As you choose coming soon appointments, you will have a drop down menu with the left hand side with the patient appointments in the next 7 days, and on the right side you will have a comment for each of the appointments. The comments will contain any information regarding upcoming requirements for this appointment, like meal instructions or the medications you have to take or not to take before the appointment. Going back to the manage your appointments button, you will choose now the past appointments. As you choose the past appointments, you will have again the drop down menu with the left hand side showing the past appointments in the last or in the past 30 days. You will have an option to choose from older appointments, and you will have to specify a range from 2 using the month and the year from 2. And on the right hand side again you will have the comments part, which contains results, comments, and document links linked to access your healthcare entry for each appointment that's showing in this menu. Again, we go back to manage your appointments, and this time we choose canceled appointments. A drop-down menu with a list of the canceled appointments will show. In this presentation, we explored the home page and the general features of our application, and we tried to give an example of the applications by managing the appointments. There are 2 important parts here that we are working on. There is the Access Your Health Records screen and the prescription refill screen. We hope you enjoyed this demo about our work on progress, and we are waiting for your comments and questions which we will truly appreciate. Thank you very much for your attention.